In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OpenToonz crashes on Windows. If OpenToonz keeps freezing or closing unexpectedly, the most common culprit is a graphics issue, especially on laptops that have both integrated Intel graphics and a dedicated NVIDIA GPU. The goal is to make sure your system is using a stable, up-to-date driver and that OpenToonz runs on one GPU consistently. Before you start, save and close your projects to avoid any data loss and consider a quick backup of your scenes and custom settings. First, update your graphics drivers and, if needed, force OpenToonz to use a single GPU. Get the latest drivers directly from your device manufacturer or from the Intel and NVIDIA support sites. After updating, restart your PC. To ensure OpenToonz uses the dedicated GPU, open the NVIDIA control panel, go to Manage 3D Settings, then Program Settings, add OpenToonz if it isn't listed, and set the preferred graphics processor to the high-performance NVIDIA processor. On Windows 10 or 11, you can also go to Settings, System, Display, Graphics, browse to the OpenToonz executable, click Options, and choose High Performance. Locking OpenToonz to one GPU prevents the system from switching mid-session, which often causes instability. Relaunch OpenToonz and test a few scenes to see if the crashes stop. If crashes persist, reset the application preferences. Sometimes settings or layouts become corrupted over time. Close OpenToonz completely. Navigate to your OpenToonz stuff folder, then find the Preferences folder inside it. Rename that folder to something like Preferences Old. Don't delete it. Renaming lets you restore it later if needed. When you launch OpenToonz again, it will recreate a clean set of default preferences. You'll lose custom layouts and shortcuts temporarily, but this is a great way to rule out problematic settings. If the program runs smoothly now, you can reapply your favorite preferences gradually. If you still see issues, do a clean reinstall of OpenToonz. Uninstall it from Apps and Features in Windows. After uninstalling, ensure there aren't leftover program files in the installation directory. Then download the latest stable release from the official site and install fresh. A clean build replaces any corrupted files that updates alone might miss. To recap, update your graphics drivers and force a single GPU, reset your preferences to defaults, and if necessary, reinstall OpenToonz. Work through these in order and you should see a noticeable improvement in stability. Happy animating!